Guidestones is a baffling monolith that calls for the elimination of more than 90% of the world's population. But how did its creator envision this happening? Will it be a terrifying mass slaughter, or the unfortunate result of a natural catastrophe? Recently, a growing number of prominent psychics have been experiencing the same terrifying vision. They predict that in the not-too-distant future, the entire world will be ravaged by a global catastrophe that will drastically reduce the Earth's landmass. This doomsday scenario, better known as Earth Changes, was first predicted by renowned American psychic Edgar Casey. These predictions have been gathered together in a map that shows a world transformed by disaster. Massive chunks of the Earth's landmass are now underwater, and the surviving population is crowded onto much smaller pockets of land, known as safe zones. But with so many people squeezed into these pockets of land, will civilization be pushed past the breaking point? Over the decades, many religious groups have adopted this nightmarish vision of the future, including the Rosicrucians, leading to a final, ironic twist. Whatever catastrophe these Earth changes may hold in store, the map of projected safe zones tells us the Georgia Guidestones will survive it all. Did the Rosicrucians create the Georgia Guidestones? Have we really outgrown our own planet? And has all of this happened before? Of the world's population. Some experts believe it was built by the Rosicrucians, who chose a site on the infamous Arcadian ley line to tap into its destructive power. But if this is true, how did they learn to do it? Where did they discover the secret of the ley lines? The answer lies hidden in a centuries-old mystery. Unsealed case file. Crop circles. Crop circles appear in farm fields all over the world. They were first reported in 1686, and the cause behind them has confounded experts ever since. Some suggest the circles are messages left by alien visitors, but not intended for us. Experts believe crop circles are a kind of universal barcode that could be scanned by passing UFOs to acquire quick information about planet Earth. We ourselves have attempted similar communications before.
When we decide to send a message to the heavens in hopes to communicate with an alien civilization, binary code was decided by scientists because it really is that universal language that if any intelligent race in the universe were to master science, binary code would be the easiest thing to decipher.
Using massive radio telescopes like the one at Arecibo in Puerto Rico, scientists transmitted details about the human race as a kind of interstellar greeting to any who might be listening.
So when we sent the Arecibo message to the heavens, we gave details about where we were in the universe, what our human DNA was like, and some other details about who we are as humanity.
What if crop circles are messages made by aliens intended for other visitors to Earth? What information might they contain? Could they hold information about our home that science has yet to discover? And what if someone broke the crop circle code? What secrets might they learn? Some experts believe the Rosicrucians did break the code, gaining access to incredible secrets about our planet, previously known only to extraterrestrials. Among them was knowledge of the ley lines and instructions on how to tap into their immense power. The crop circles may have also contained an estimate of the maximum human population Earth can sustain. That number was 500 million. Did the Rosicrucians build the Georgia Guidestones based on alien information? In 1996, a massive crop circle appeared in the fields of Hampshire, England, in the shape of a Rosicrucian rose. Some conspiracy theorists believe this to be an alien acknowledgement of the Rosicrucians' efforts. But does this mean they are advocating the slaughter of billions? Or are they simply trying to warn us about an impending catastrophe? We live in constant fear from many natural threats, but none compare to the very thing that sustains us, the sun. Recently, scientists have warned of the danger of massive solar flares that could one day reach Earth. Similar flashes hit the planet 13,000 years ago, causing mass destruction. Some experts believe these all but wiped out any evidence of ancient civilizations that might have existed before.
We rise and we fall. You know, this civilization seems to be about 12,000 years old, but there are older civilizations that have left things behind.
Did aliens witness the ancient catastrophe and encode this vital information into crop circles? Are the Rosicrucians using this secret information to change the course of human history and create an entirely new civilization?
You have to consider the possibility that this is not the first time we've been on this planet. In other words, this is not the first cycle of civilization. And there are rises and falls.
A massive solar flare is just one of many possible natural disasters the future may hold in store. Coming up, we reveal stunning predictions of the post-apocalyptic world.